Good morning students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 10th standard chemistry unit 8 types of chemical reaction. In previous class I am completing periodic classification element lesson. In this lesson we are going to learn about types of chemical reactions. Let's move on introduction. As we know from your earlier studies, the chemical reactions involves breaking of old chemical bonds and formation of new chemical bonds. This change may happen spontaneously or it may be by external force or energy. External force or energy. Chemistry is all about chemical reaction. Chemistry is all about chemical reactions. In your day-to-day life, you would observe many chemical reactions. What are the chemical reactions? The clear understanding of these reactions is essential in order to manipulate them for the sake of human life and environment. So, chemistry mainly focus on chemical reaction. Let us understand. Let us try to find the answer the following questions. What are the questions? You need energy to play, walk, run, or to perform various physical activities. Where do you get the energy from? The second question. How do plants grow and get their foods? Third one. How does car move using fuels? The fourth question. Why does iron rust on exposed to water or iron? We get energy from digestion of food you eat. The first question answer is you get energy from digestion of food from you eat. How do plants grow and get their food? Plants grow by absorbing nutrients from the earth and get their food by photosynthesis. What process? Photosynthesis. In photosynthesis process, plants get food from nutrition, absorbing nutrition from earth. The third question answer, how does car move using fuel is the combustion of fuels. The combustion of fuels makes car to move. The combustion of fuels. So car make to move. The fourth question, what is the fourth question? Why does iron rust on is exposed to water or air? Oxidation of iron causes rusting. So all these processes are chemical change. The above processes are chemical changes. That is, the material which undergoes change or converted into some other new material. The material which undergo changes or converted into some other new materials. For example, by burning petrol, the hydrocarbon present in it are converted into carbon dioxide and water. Burning of petrol. The petrol contains hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon present in petrol, so it converted into carbon dioxide and water. In this chapter, let us discuss the nature and types of chemical reaction. So, in photosynthesis process, combustion reaction, rusting process, digestion of food, these get some energy. These reactions are called chemical reaction. Let us discuss nature and types of chemical reaction. Let's see what happened during chemical reaction. During chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, the atoms of reacting molecules or elements. Atoms of reacting molecules or elements are rearranged to form a new molecules. Rearranged to form a new molecules. In a chemical reaction, atom of reacting molecules. The reaction substance is maybe molecule or element. These molecules or elements reacting to form a new molecules. The old chemical bond between atoms broken. A new chemical bond is formed. Already we know in a reaction the old chemical bonds are totally broken. The new chemical bond is formed in a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, old bond between atoms are broken and the new chemical bonds are formed. Bond breaking reactions absorb energy. In a chemical reaction, the chemical bond is breaking. The chemical bond is breaking. That means absorption of energy. Absorb energy, the bond is breaking. In a chemical reaction, the reaction absorbs some energy, so the bond is breaking. The bond is breaking. Whereas bond formation reaction. In a chemical reaction, the new chemical bond is formed means energy is released. Energy is released means the bond is formation. These are the during chemical reaction some reaction takes place. The first one, molecules or elements are rearranged to form a new molecules. Old chemical bond is broken, the new chemical bond is formed. Bond breaking means energy absorbed. Bond formation means releasing some energy. Let's learn about another topic. How are chemical reactions represented? How are chemical reactions are represented? When methane react with oxygen. When methane react with oxygen, it's form carbon dioxide and water. Methane react with oxygen, it's form carbon dioxide and water. How can you represent this reaction? It can be written as a word reaction as follow. Which substance are reacted? Methane react with oxygen. The reacting substance, one or more reacting substance between positive charge, put positive charge. The methane react with oxygen. So methane plus oxygen. The plus charge indicates the two substances are reacted. Methane plus oxygen gives. The arrow mark means gives. To form a carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. Two products are formed. What are the two products? Carbon dioxide and water. So when two product means you put positive charge between the two products. The methane plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide and water. This is word reaction. But this reaction does not give the chemical composition of the reactants and products. See this, the above arrow mark and below arrow mark. Left side and right side of the arrow mark. Left side present in reactant molecules, right side present in product molecules. These reactions does not give chemical composition of the reactants and products. So we learn characteristics of chemical reaction. It is represented by the chemical equation. In a chemical equation, the chemicals of reactants are represented by their chemical formulas. The compounds are elements which undergoes reactions. That means reactants. The reactants are shown to the left side of the arrow mark. And compounds formed. That is product. The products are shown to right side of the arrow arrow mark, arrow mark. The arrow indicates direction of the reaction. Arrow indicate direction of the reaction. Methane formula CH4. CH4 plus oxygen gas. Oxygen gas formula O2. So CH4 plus O2 gives carbon dioxide formula CO2 plus gives water. Water formula H2O. This is chemical formulas using chemical equation. What is the formula of methane? CH4. What is the formula of oxygen? O2. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? CO2. What is the formula of water? H2O. The chemical formulas are formulas using to chemical reaction, chemical equation. This is one of the chemical equation of the combustion reaction. What is the combustion reaction? Methane reacted with oxygen to form a carbon dioxide and water molecules reaction. But this reaction is also an incomplete chemical equation. Incomplete chemical equation, because the law of conservation of matter state that matter cannot be created or destroyed. What is the law? Matter cannot be created or destroyed. This is called what law? Law of conservation. You cannot create new atom by chemical reaction. That means you cannot create new atoms by the chemical reaction. In contrast, they are rearranged in a different way by chemical equation to form a new compounds. So, in a chemical equation, the number of atoms of reactants and that of products must be equal. In a chemical equation, number of atoms, reactant molecules and product molecules are equal. The number of hydrogen and oxygen atoms and reactants and products are not equal in a chemical equation, the given equation. So balance the chemical equation. Balance the number of atoms, the following equation. CH4. At reactant side, oxygen is present in 2 moles. 2 moles, 2 into 2, 4 oxygen molecule present in reactant side. That is left side of the arrow mark. And right side of the arrow mark, carbon dioxide contain 2 oxygen molecules and water molecule contain 2 oxygen molecules. So this is the correct balance equation. First write in word equation. The word equation totally change into chemical formula sequence. That is chemical equation. In this chemical equation does not balance in oxygen atom. So balance the oxygen atom in both side, reactant and product side. Further, the chemical equation provides information on the physical state of the substance. And conditions under which the reaction takes place. For example, methane. Methane is already known, gaseous substance. Oxygen is also gaseous substance. Carbon dioxide also gaseous substance. And water molecules present in, already we know, water matter consists in 3 states. What are 3 states? Solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. In this reaction, the water molecule present in vapor state. Vapor means gaseous substance. All compounds, reactants and products are present in a gaseous state. In subscript, the physical states mentioned in a bracket. This is final balanced equation. The chemical equation provides information on the physical state of the substance and conditions under which the reaction takes place. Below arrow mark indicates, left side of the arrow mark indicates reacting molecules. Right side of the arrow mark gives product molecules. All 4 substances are in gaseous substance. So subscript write in G for all substances are gaseous substance. Let's see definition of balanced chemical. What is balanced chemical equation? A balanced chemical equation is the simplified representation of chemical reactions which describe the chemical composition, physical state of the reactants and product and reaction condition. It describes chemical composition and physical state of the reactants and products and also reaction condition. These These are represented by simplified chemical equation. This equation is called balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. In our every balanced chemical equation provide three important conditions. So one is chemical composition, second one physical state of the reactant and products, third one reaction conditions. Let's see more to know. The phases are physical state of the substance. The phases are physical state of the substance in a chemical reactions are denoted in a short form within a brackets. The subscript of the formula of respective substance. For example, when solid potassium symbol K. This is what state? Solid. The solid potassium reacted with liquid water formula H2O. This is present what state? Liquid state. It's produce hydrogen gas and potassium hydroxide solution. All this information of the reaction is given by the chemical equation. What is the chemical equation? Potassium, which state? Solid state. The subscript in a bracket present in a solid, and water molecules present in liquid state. The L for liquid gives potassium hydroxide formula KOH. This for aqueous solution. Aqueous solution represent AQ and produce hydrogen gas formula G. So every equations, there's a nature of the reactant products of physical states. Physical state of the substance denoted in a short form within a bracket as the subscript of the respective formula. Let's see some other physical states under short form. Symbols: S for solid, L for liquid, G for gaseous substance, and AQ for aqueous solutions. These are the short form of physical states of the matters. Dear students, note the assignment question. The first one, what is chemical balance equation? What is balanced chemical? This is answer for balanced chemical equation. The second question, what happened during chemical reactions? This is answer for what happened during chemical reaction. Learn this today's topics. Thank you students, and note the assignment question. Thank you.